Woodworking door panel polishing machine with edge-side rollers for the door edge sanding. The good metal in efficiency and hollow to perfect the door finish with our professional door panel polishing machine. It is high quality, consistent, and efficient woodworking polishing machine processing solid wood MDF composite door panels closed up for brushing rollers working on grooves and edges. It's not only just efficient, it's also user-friendly and eco-friendly. Various polished door panels are planned in homes, office, factory production line with the machine CE certification mark. Whether you're a smaller workshop or a large-scale furniture manufacturer, this door panel polishing machine is your reliable partner to upgrade product quality and enhance market competitiveness. Any interest welcome to contact us freely.